dear students. Welcome to a very special lecture series on scientific writing. I'm Dr. Pervaiz Ahmad. This is the 14th and last section of this series. In this, we will have discussions on step in writing a paper. Let's start today's lecture. Step in writing a paper. First of all, the first thing that you need is access your work, decide what, when, and where to publish, refrain from duplicate publications, and define your purpose and publishings. Obtain and read the instructions to the author of the journal chosen. Decide who the authors will be. Drop a working title in abstract. Decide on the basic form of the paper. Collect the materials under the major heading chosen. Design tables, including their titles and footnotes. Designs or select illustrations and write titles and lettering for them. Write for permission to reproduce any previously published tables, illustrations, or other materials that will be used. Write a topic outlines and perhaps a sentence outline. Write, type, or dictate preliminary drop of the text quality, of the text quickly, that is to give it unity. Check completeness of the references assembled. Put the manuscript up, typescript away for a few days. Re-examine the structure of the paper. Check the illustrations and the table and make the final versions. Reread the references you cite and check your own accuracy and citing them. Check for consistency and reduce the number of abbreviations and footnotes. Retype the paper. That once you retype the paper, so that will make the first drop of your manuscript. So correct the grammar and polish the style. Type several copies of the corrected papers. That will make the second drop of your paper. So ask for the criticism from the co-author and friends, then make any necessary alteration according to the suggestion of the co-author and your friends. Compose a new title and abstract suitable for the information retrieval. List the index term and assemble the manuscript. So compiles the references list, cross-check references against the text, and ensure that all the bibliographic details are correct. After that, retype and check the typescript. uh, After you do all this, so obtain a final critical review from a senior colleague. That might be your supervisor or maybe a postdoctorate fellow at your lab. You better give your master to him and ask him to give a critical review to your paper. Once it's done, so make any final corrections on the advice of that critical review which you might have done from your senior. After that, make the final corrections, and modify your final version. Write a covering letter. Once you decided that now your paper revision is complete, you have write a complete manuscript, and now it's ready for the submission. So before the submission, write a cover letter to the editor, enclosing copies of the letter giving your permission to reproduce any previously published materials or to cite unpublished work. Along with that, check that all the part of the paper are present. Enforce as many copies as specified to the editors. If the editors return the paper, what actually you need to do, revise it. If you think it's necessary, send it elsewhere or abandon it. It's up to you. If the editors, whenever they return the paper, so normally they have some comments. So if you think those comments are appropriate, so you better revise it to the extent where you think it's necessary. If you think the comment is useless or is inappropriate, so you better send the paper to somewhere else or to some other journals which you think appropriate for your journal, and forget about that first journal. So correct the proof. uh, Once your paper accepted, so you correct the proof, and that's the all thing you need to do with the with your paper. So with that, we come to the end of this scientific writing lecture series. I hope you enjoy and hope you learn a lot for scientific writing. So we will wait for your feedback that what actually we have done. Is it appropriate for learning scientific writing? So a few things that we have done a good job in this regard. So you better leave your comments or send us your suggestion for further improvement. So we will wait for your feedback. Till then, bye bye.